and every Tuesday kune-demon elibizwa Nabroth. Nabroth is a name of angel, fallen angel. Igama lalo uNabroth. Nabroth igama lika fallen angels. This angel lisebenza ngoTuesday. Uye eyenza ukuthi abantu bayenze amaphutha amaningi. Anything eyenzakalayo on Tuesday engekho right iyenzwa this fallen angel. Usebenza kakhulu on Tuesday. Igama lakhe uNabroth. As long as it is Tuesday, past 12 ebusuku, mayithi past 12 ebusuku, midnight, mayithi past 12. Once ithi past 12 ilanga elisa ngithi, so from past 12 ebusuku after midnight until 12 ebusuku futhi midnight kusebenza le demon le on Tuesday, Nabroth. And then futhi ngo-Wednesday kune another fallen angel, yena responsible ukusebenza ukucontroller ama-mistakes, ukucontroller ilizwe. This fallen angel igama lalo elisebenza ngo-Wednesday, ngoLwesithathu, igama lale fallen angel Astaroth. Astaroth is a name of a fallen angel. Ucontroller ilanga le-Wednesday. Anything eyenzakala ngo-Wednesday emhlabeni icontroller lo this angel Astaroth. Umsebenzi lo unikezwe uSathane. And then on Thursday kunenye futhi another fallen angel, yena igama lakhe, this fallen angel igama lakhe Akam. Akam is the name of a fallen angel. Ucontroller every Thursday from after midnight past 12 to 12 o'clock ebusuku, from past 12 midnight to midnight again. So kusebenza this fallen angel igama lalo Akam, usebenza ngo-Thursday. So on Friday kunenye futhi another fallen angel. That fallen angel on Friday, he is responsible for anything eyenzakalayo on Friday, ne? Because every Friday it's the beginning of a weekend. Abantu bafuna ukuya emnandini because it is Friday. Sasa ngo-Saturday abathewukile. So abantu abaningi baqala ukuphuza utshwala on Friday because bathi weekend. So every Friday icontrolwa this angel ebizwa uBheke. Bheke is the name of a fallen angel. Ucontroller Friday. Ilanga le Friday li controller with this fallen angel elibizwa Bheke. And then on Saturday kune another fallen angel. This fallen angel, he is responsible for Saturday. As long as it is a Saturday, this angel abizwa Nabam. Nabam, and then Nabam is the name of angel, ne? Fallen angel. Usizwa elinye futhi because ayi-2 leli elimsizayo igama lalo Sankai. 2 angels, lo munye Nabam, omunye Sankai. These angels yibo abayenza ukuthi kube nama-night club, kube nama-festival, abantu baya emnandini, abantu babuzana ukuthi kumnandi kuphi, baya lapho bayojayiva because kunabo-DJ, kunama-night club, kuyakhaliswa kumnandi on Saturday. Saturday is either ekuseni or emini or ebusuku. As long as it is Saturday, these 2 angels bacontroller the day of Saturday. Igama lakhe this angel ubani Nabam, omunye Sankai are the name of the angels abacontroller ilanga le-Saturday. Ningizwe kahle bazalwane. These angels are the ones who are controlling music. Because on Saturday abantu bafuna ukuya emnandini, and emnandini kukhaliswa music, abantu bayajayiva bayenzani. So lona this angel Nabam and Sankai bacontroller music. Abo DJ bakhalisa ama-festival, nabo banibani, the musician, they making the festival, DJ bakhalisa music. So these 2 angels bacontroller the day of Saturday. And then on Sunday there is another angel, ne? This angel igama lakhe Agiel. Igama lakhe this angel yena ocontroller Sunday. And then unamademon amaningi, this fallen angel, ne? Unamademon amaningi awagcwalise emhlabeni